When it starts getting cold outside, one of the things you've got to do is winterize your sprinkler system. But also something you need to think about winterizing is the hose bibs on the outside of your house. So I wanted to show you these, and I imagine everybody has seen one of these covers that goes on your hose bib. This one's got a hard plastic, which is really nice. I like how this is hard. It's not gonna get dented. You can hit it pretty hard, and it's gonna stay there really good. So these with the hard plastic, I really like. So something like this to cover up and protect and insulate the hose bib on the outside of your house, keep that hose bib from freezing, messing up the valve, and causing a leak in your house. Now to get these on, it's got a loop on this plastic piece. You go over the hose bib, and then you're gonna hold it flat, and now you can pull this all the way to there and make it tight, and it holds it against the handle of your hose bib. So then you hold this tight, pull on this. This has got a little button on it. Squeeze that, push it there. Make sure it's tight. It really presses the insulation foam around the brick or outside of your house. You've also seen versions like this. This is kind of just more of a styrofoam. It's still pretty hard. I'd say it's gonna hold up pretty well. It's just not as good probably as that hard plastic, but I tell you what, I've used them like this for years, never had an issue. This one actually is from Frost King. To get it off, push that, and then you can pull it right off. It's got that little loop. Put it around the handle, and then you can see the foam, insulating foam. Put that over it, and that's gonna protect you from the cold weather.